Hello friends, welcome back to my Japanese language class. Hope you learn those three kanjis what we learned yesterday, that is Yama kanji. Then which kanji we learn? Kawa kanji, river, and next Ta kanji, rice field. Okay, so hope you learn all those kanjis. Yes, in every kanjis we learn 2 or 3 vocabularies. It is okay as a beginner or as initially we started to learn kanjis, this much is okay. Okay, let's start today's 3 kanjis. Today is third day. Okay, as you here you have some pictures. So I think you must get the meaning of the kanji. Okay, this is a human being's picture. So this kanji is Hito kanji, which meaning is man or person. This is our mouth, kuchi. So this kanji, this picture simplify to this kanji, which is called as kuchi and meaning is mouth. Okay, this is cart, no, bullock cart. Okay, so when this picture simplify to this kanji, meaning of this kanji is cart. Okay, so today we will learn Hito kanji, Kuchi kanji and Kuruma kanji. Let's start. So this kanji simplified from a human being's picture. So this kanji meaning is man or person. Kunyomi Hito and Onyomi Jin and Nin. Let's learn how to write kakikata. Ichi, ichi, ni. Okay, kakusu, ni. 2 strokes. No? Hito, man or person. Nihon, jin. Indo, jin. Indo-jin, Indian. You can say sun nin. Another word we can learn here uses of nin. Sun, nin. Okay, 3 people. Nihonjin, Japanese. Indojin, Indian. Sannin, 3 person or 3 people. Ichi, ni, hito. Ichi, ni, hito. Ichi, ni, hito. Ichi, ni, hito. Ichi, ni, jin, Indo-jin, America-jin, Deutsche-jin, Nihon-jin, jin. Ichi, ni, hito. Also nin, sannin, yonin, gonin, rokunin, good. Okay. If you want to practice kanji, you can also practice gonin, rokunin, shichinin. You can say shichinin, hachinin, kyunin, junin. Okay. If you practice 2-3 times like this, you already remember. Do you know our brain remembering so many things without our notice? So please practice like this 2-3 minutes so you can remember that kanji, and also you can remember where to use hito, where to use jin, where to use nin. Okay, I am explaining over here. Please practice it. Okay, we finished hito kanji. Let's go to next kanji. Let's learn next kanji. As per the picture, you can get the meaning of this kanji. Okay, The meaning of the kanji is mouth. Meaning is mouth. And kunyomi, kuchi. Onyomi, ko. Let's write ichi, ichi ni san. Kakusu 3. It's look like katakana ro, no? Rari, rure, ro, katakana ro. It looks like that. Kuchi, mouth. Again we learn hitto kanji just now. So this hitto and kuchi. It became jinko. Population. Next, iriguchi. Guchi. Iriguchi means entrance. Yes, this is kuchi, but when it is using in a word, the pronunciation here became guchi. Please just remark this when you are practicing. It is okay. Yes, this kanji, hitto kanji and iriguchi, this is Hairimas kanji. Both are looks like same, but it is writing is different. When we write hitto, it is the first is left stroke, then right stroke here. But when you write Hairimas, this is Hairimas kanji, means enter. In Hairimas kanji, the first stroke right side is first comes, then left side. This is the difference in hitto kanji and Hairu kanji. So never ever confuse. This part it is a single stroke and here it will start. Here left side part is single stroke, here it start. Okay. So here we learn 3 words: kuchi, mouth, jinko, population, iriguchi, entrance. Now practice. Ichi, ni, san, kuchi, mouth. Ichi, ni, san, kuchi, mouth. Ichi, ni, san, jinko no ko. Ichi, ni, san, jinko no ko. Iriguchi. Ichi, ni, san, iriguchi no guchi. Deguchi no guchi. Okay. So this way you just practice the kanji, you can do better and it will automatically remember. Once you practice a kanji, practice 2-3 words, you can remember it. Okay. Let's learn the next kanji. Next kanji, this is bullock cart. Okay. Now we are using so many vehicles, no? So this kuruma kanji meaning is car. Okay. This kuruma kanji developed from this bullock cart. Kunyomi, kuruma, onyomi, sha. Kaki khatam. How to write? Ichi, ichi ni san, ichi ni san si, ichi ni san si go, ichi ni san si go roku, ichi ni san si go roku, shichi. Kakusu 7 stroke. 7 stroke. Okay. So how to practice the kanji? Like this: ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, shichi. Car, kuruma. So let's learn some words. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, shichi. Kuruma. Meaning is car. This is using sa. So this kanji using for automobile sector like Jidosa no sa, Jitensa no sa, any vehicle we have sa. This kanji is using Densa no sa. Okay. Next, Jidosa. Jido kanji I am not writing, only sa kanji I am writing here. Okay. Jidosa. means car or automobile. Okay, kuruma, jidosa, and also densa. Densa kanji also I am not writing. Yeah, it is amekanmuri kanji, but I am not writing densa. I am only writing the sa kanji. Densa no sa. Okay, train. Got it? So let's practice the kanji. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, shichi, kuruma. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, shichi, kuruma. Jidosa no sa, densha no sha. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, shichi, kuruma. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, shichi, kuruma. Jidosa no sa, densha no sha. If you practice this way, minimum 2-3 minutes required for a kanji to practice. If you practice in peaceful mind, definitely you can remember kanji and your reading also be perfect. Okay, you also read clearly. Okay, ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, shichi. Okay, 7 strokes. So you practice this way. Today we will learn Hito kanji, Kuchi kanji and Kuruma kanji. Okay, Hito, Jin and Nin, Kuchi, Ko, Kuruma and Sha. Okay, please read with me 3 kanji every day. After 1 month and 2 months you just get your benefit. If you really interested to learn Japanese till advanced level, please practice kanji, 3 kanji every day. In long run, it will give you good benefit. Okay, you can get benefit in long run. You just keep it in your mind that before go to bed, I definitely practice 3 kanji. Today's task definitely I will finish. Okay. So till now we already completed 9 kanjis. First kanji we learn hi. Second kanji we learn chuki. Next kanji we learn ki, tree. Then we learn yama, kawa and rice field ta. Today we learn Hito. Today we learn Hito, Kuchi and Kuruma. My dear friends, when you started to learn the kanji, please practice regularly. Because if you don't practice today kanji, tomorrow it will be 6. Day after tomorrow it will be 9, that way. So 3 kanji it is minimum, because as it is all are simple kanji. When I feel that yeah, kanji is going to be difficult, so I will make it 2 kanjis in a day. So it will give you more benefit. Okay. As you know that I am teaching in Sign Language Institute, and also I have my own platform, that is momitaonline.com. In Sign Language, regular classes are providing, and momitaonline.com it is self-study courses. Those who are doing self-study by themselves, I am providing all videos, and these courses we are providing N5 to N1 in both platforms, Sign Language and also Momita Online. In self-study, we are providing all materials of the respective level, and videos of grammars, of lessons also you can say, videos of kanjis, and videos of JLPT solved questions. These are the things you can get is momitaonline.com. And Sign Language, it is regular courses we are taking, and 2 days or 3 days, 2 classes or 3 classes in a week. Okay. If you want to enroll in sign language or Mamita Online, you just visit to the website and let us know and contact with us. Thank you so much. But one thing, whether you enroll or not, it is your option. But don't stop practice kanji. It is your option whether you join in sign language or not, or Mamita Online or not, whether you enroll here or not. It is your option. If you require, you do, otherwise don't do. But please practice kanji every day to enhance your Japanese language skill. Without kanji, meaningless. It is meaningless to learn Japanese language. Today's class is this much. We will learn kanji from Monday to Saturday. Gechiyobi to Doyobi. Okay? 3 kanji daily. Stay healthy, stay safely. Sayonara. Arigatou gozaimasu. Bye bye.